Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the time to the screen timeout at the Realme GT Neo 2. Okay, for that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here and then you will have here at the corner the symbol for the settings. Tap it. Then we need to scroll down a bit to have this point here, display and brightness. And here we will need the point, if you scroll down again a bit, the auto screen off. Actually, it's just 30 seconds, so this is for the default. Maybe you can upgrade it to 1 minute, but please not too much, because as longer this display stays on, as more energy it takes, because the display is taking the most energy here of the phone. So think about our environment. So I would recommend to you to have 1 minute. So let's take maybe 1 minute here. And now we have 1 minute until the screen turns off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.